Hello everyone. So today's vocabulary word is subside. Now what does it mean? It means to become less intense, strong or violent, such as when pain or storm subsides, to settle down to a lower level or to the bottom. Let's understand it more clearly by these examples. The storm began to subside after several hours. His anger subsided once he had a chance to think. The flood waters eventually subsided. One more example related to the present scenario in India. I will pray to God that the pain of this great loss in our country will slowly subside and be replaced by comforting memories. So I hope that you understood the meaning of vocabulary word subside, and next time whenever you will use this word in your sentence, you will use it very smartly.